Amadioha or Igwe, the sky, right? The sky or Amadioha has access to all of the elements. You understand? Be it wind, or only do it in order: light, water, earth, and wind. Amadioha is has a total access to all of those things, and therefore Amadioha has an ezumezu, total and complete more. Now, one of the things you will notice, right? There are certain things that tie all Black African cultures together, right? I don't really see differences, honestly. You reach a point in your learning that you stop seeing these big divisions and differences. I don't see them, right? Now, one of the things you will see is that anybody who is understood to be an ezumezu, right, an ezumezu more total and complete in their understanding, 360 degrees of wisdom, right, and beyond, right, they'll put leopard on that person, right? You'll see it again in Kemet. You'll see it in the Congolese cultures. You'll see it in South Africa. You'll see it in every culture in Nigeria. You'll see it in Ghana. You'll see it all the way up to Senegal and so forth. You'll see every single place that we are. You're going to see this thing, right? So then I come to learn that the Aztecs also had this concept framed the exact same way.